Hi there, I'm Richard from Burning Spears, and today I've got a very special guest with me.
Arron from Super Spice.
So Arron is one of my very good friend's son. He's got a YouTube channel called Super Spice. Why is it called Super Spice?
Because I like spicy food.
And what else do you like that you put on the channel?
I like playing football, being crazy with my dog and gaming.
Okay, excellent. That's good typical behavior. And who's your favorite team?
Man U.
Sorry to hear that. Jokes aside, today we're going to do a little video on some Naga chicken wings. And Naga, the ghost pepper, was one of the hottest chilies in the world. And I saw a video of Super Spices where he ate a very spicy wing, and I thought it would be nice to do that with him and maybe push his boundaries a little bit. So we're gonna do some wings. How many wings do you want?
2.
2 wings.
Yeah.
You don't want 3?
2.
2. Okay.
Yeah.
2 wings. I'm going to do 4 wings, and I'll show you a little bit how we're going to spice them up during the cook. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for it? You're looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Me too. I think it's going to be real fun. Okay, so we'll come back to you when we start cooking.
Hurry up, my wings are burning!
Okay, coming now. Sorry. Okay, so what I did was, or what we did, we mixed Naga pickle in with jerk barbecue sauce. On Arron's side, he had 2 teaspoons of the Naga pickle, and on my side I had 7 teaspoons of the Naga pickle. And the chicken wings were already cooked with a Cajun seasoning, so they're already warm, and then of course the jerk barbecue sauce is spicy in itself. So the Naga, and the whole point of it was really the cherry on the cake, and lovely flavor, very sort of sour and almost earthy as well at the same time. Of course you can see that my painting skills on the left are vastly superior due to the hundreds of years of experience that I have compared to Arron. But good to see him getting involved with food, and I think it's really important to get children involved with their food and making their food from a young age, and then they appreciate it a lot more. And this was real fun, this video, I must admit. So you will see the expressions on our faces shortly. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
You've got your 2 wings, I've got my 4 wings.
Yeah.
Let's go for it. So remember, you just need to throw them down. Don't let them sit and get the sauce over there, otherwise you're going to have burning lips for a day. Okay, wish us luck, guys. Let's go. Don't drink it all. You'll have nothing left. Come, eat it quick. How are you doing?
Terribly. What's wrong with you?
My eyes are starting to water now. You must eat the chicken, you mustn't kiss it. Eat it.
Why make me do this, mate? Why?
I saw your video. Said you had spicy wings, so thought I'd show you a little bit of ghost pepper action. Come, you nearly done the one.
I'm only eating one. Done. I think I'm done.
There's some meat there. I'm done mine. Apart from the heat, what do you think of the flavour? Quite nice, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, well done. Got to one, nice and spicy, eh? Well done. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Take a look at, get your kids to take a look at Arron's channel, like and subscribe. He's going to put some more crazy stuff on there. And I'll be back with another hot wing challenge for him at some stage.
Yeah.
Maybe some habaneros, I think. Thank you. Keep well. What do you want? Okay. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. There you go.